fishing. I've already got 3 lines in the water. We just got them put in. Not sure how good our lighting's going to be here tonight. I forgot my main light, and I'm tied into some docks here that are cut off from shore because they're working on them, so there ain't no traffic out on them right now, so it might be a real good place to line up with some crappie. We're sitting in about 32 feet of water. Water temp right now is 59.3. There's a lot of shad in here, and there's numerous seagulls in this area, and they've been diving on them all afternoon. The wind was really bad for a while. There wasn't supposed to be any wind. The weatherman said there wasn't going to be no wind, but I guess can't fish by what the weatherman said. But anyway, we're going to try to catch some fish and see what we can do. Waiting on dark, and we're going to try out our light that we made. I believe that thing's going to work out real well. I've already got my DeWalt battery sitting here to plug into it. I'm going to drop it down about 15 feet once it starts getting a little dark. And be interested to see how that works, how long it lasts. I'll try to get you some video of looking down on it in the water once it gets completely dark out here. Where I'm at on these docks, there's some overhead lights that used to come on at dark. I don't know that they will or not. We're rebuilding the dock. The wind's dying down a little more. Still haven't gotten anything, but I think they're looking going to be a pretty good evening. Like I said, we're just waiting on dark. Ain't got no bites yet. Ain't caught nothing. I think I'm going to eat me a bologna sandwich. See you in a bit. There's one. Come here, big boy. Ain't a whole lot, I don't think. That's a big old bull bluegill we got on my minnow. Ain't that something? Oh, buddy. I'm not going to kill you. You swallowed it. I'm going to give you the hook and let you leave. It's still daylight, and that's a lot of times the thing that'll plague you around these docks. But it's fish. We are on the board. The skunk is out of the boat. Let's see if we got a couple of little small bites since then. Took my bait, no hookup. Probably bluegill, I would say. They're pretty bad about grabbing them by the tail and just pulling them off. So I dropped my lure down about another 7 or 8 feet. Get down where a crappie might be. Got her light in the water now. It's just now starting to turn a little bit dark. Sun's finally going down. So stay tuned. Maybe we'll get something. Here's a look at the light in the water. It's just, you can see it's nowhere near completely dark. That's at about 15 feet. Already got the water lit up really well. I'm hoping it'll bring in some shad, and that'll bring in some crappie. Another one on in the dark, as bad as I hate to. There he is. I don't know how well you can see him. Alright, we'll get a better glance at him. About 11 inches. The light's doing pretty good. We're going to have to turn in because the dock ain't got no The ramp we're using up here ain't got no lights on it, so I'm probably going to struggle getting this boat on the trailer. And this wind's picking up more and more and more. So I think we're just going to go ahead and get on out of here. We didn't get but one bluegill and one crappie, but we tried our light out and that worked. And I'm going to try to get out of here while I can. This is the Fat Man, and I'm gone. Hey guys, if you liked the video, hit subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you get notifications the next time we put out a video. Appreciate you. It's the Fat Man. I'm gone.